Hey guys, your friendly neighborhood gamer man here. Today I wanted to share with you this cool little fight stick that I purchased and that I've been testing out recently. It's the BSP-Y01 and some Asian characters here, which I can't read, but I assure you that I've been having a great time with this and it works really well. I've tried it out so far on my iOS, my iPhone. I'm sure it'll work great on Android as well, and heavily on the Switch. I wouldn't use this for PS3 or PS4. They're way better fight sticks. It's actually a mini stick, which is why I purchased it, to be kind of the same size, you know, as a Switch or as an Android, and be able to use it for that purpose. So here's the fight stick itself, and I'll hold it in my hand so you can see the proportion of it. And you have these buttons, which are, you know, a little clicky. And the joystick is not clicky at all, and it actually feels more like an analog stick. But definitely for me, better than having those Joy-Cons. I freaking hate those Joy-Cons. And you know, it feels more like an arcade setup with it. So you have the L and R buttons here. You have L2, R2, which is nice. Select, start, turbo. I haven't tried the turbo function. And you have this one, which is a macros function, which I haven't tried too. So I guess you can program this fight stick to do multiple controls. So I guess if you're doing Street Fighter or something and you want to do like back, down, forward, punch, you can set it up where it'll do all that. So basically like easy mode. I don't even know if I'll ever use that, but it has Bluetooth as well and a USB connection. And I've used both. They work very well. Connects pretty easily once you know how to do it. And I'll connect it right now. I'll show you guys how to connect, then I'll do a little gameplay. All right, guys, so it's pretty simple. If you want to connect to Bluetooth for iOS or Android, all you'll do is hold down Home and B until you see this light over the one blink, and then it's ready to connect. So you'll go to your Bluetooth, you'll find the device. It's called DualShock, actually, and you'll just click it and it'll connect. For Switch, you'll hold down L and R, and then Home and R2. And then it'll connect, it'll discover it, and every other time all you'll need to do is hold L and R. And it comes with instructions too, so it's pretty simple. I just downloaded this for free on the App Store, iOS. So, and I didn't even realize it came with Golden Axe 1, 2, and 3. And I never even knew there was a 3. So, you know, there you go, free gaming. And let's do a quick demo. So you have settings, controls. Ad-free, you probably have to pay a couple of bucks, so I have to watch an ad, but I paid for Apple Arcade, so I'm not paying for this. I'll watch the ad. Oh, that's a junk hit. Look at that. That's my favorite move. Let's test out some magic. Whoa, where's my magic? I don't have any. Sorry about that. Maybe I need to get one more to use magic, or maybe I need to do some more junk hits. Oh, there it is. Wasted my magic, but there it is. Yeah, well, the controls work well. Oh, there these guys. More magics. Come back, little magic guy. I'll see if we can get on that. Let's do. Oh. Oh, I gotta pick up the magic. Right. So you can do some modern retro games on here as well. I downloaded Horizon Chase Turbo. car. I only played this once, so I need to figure it out again. You know, that's accelerate. And then there's a booster. Oh. Get the gas. I gotta get better and stop crashing into these guys. Just going too fast around those turns. But I'll tell you what, this is a lot more fun than playing with the touchpad or whatever, your fingers on the screen. Alright guys, so we're going to try the new Double Dragon now. And let's see, I only played this a few times before, but it's pretty fun. Not as fun as Double Dragon Neon. And I downloaded the Cobra Kai games, Cobra Kai 1 and 2. And I'm a huge fan of that show and the Karate Kid, so I love those games. And I like those sprites. I like when they're bigger sprites. I'm not so into these little, I don't know, cartoony. I guess they're all cartoony, but kind of little guy sprites or whatever. I'm sure they're trying to make it a little more kid-friendly, which is fine. But it's not bad. This game has, you know, pretty cool moves list. And each character has different moves, which is cool, and you get to use, you know, a lot of different characters. You can open characters. But, you know, what's cool that I'm showing off here, too, or showcasing, is this awesome little Switch arcade cabinet, and it has a light-up marquee. I purchased this on Etsy, and I'll put the link. The guy is really good, quick, and this is also what we're demoing, obviously. And let's see how it works with the Switch. I just wasted my super move, but I just gotta remember how to do all this again. Yeah, that's cool. I'll pick this up. Oh yeah, it's got a cool dash and grab. Well, that's how you switch characters, just press L. And then he has his set of moves. And you collect coins in this, which let you continue. You have to purchase games with these coins. Oops, I gotta stop wasting that. How do I pick this thing up?
Awesome.
Cool soundtrack. Got my hot dog, a little more energy. I wonder if I can pick up those bombs. I have a feeling I can. Wow, that was annoying and stupid. And pointless. Alright, this is the boss battle. Let's go, boss. Use my kick. I don't know if I can grab him. Oh, man. And it didn't give me energy on that one. Oh. I'm not playing well with this dude. All right.